Good morning, students. Yesterday we completed distance formula. Today we are going to discuss about section formula. That is nothing but 7.2 exercise of 7th chapter. Section formula. It is very important in 7th chapter. So compulsory one 4-mark question on board exams. So concentrate well on this formula. So what is section formula? Let A and B are the two coordinates on a plane. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. I am taking one point internally on AB. So P is a point internally on AB. P divides AB as AP and PB. AP and PB. Let A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are the two coordinates. X1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, and let the coordinates of P x comma y. If P divides AB line segment internally in the ratio of m and n, in the ratio of m is to n, in the ratio of m is to n, then to find P we have formula that is called a section formula. P is equal to m1 x2 mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Next my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So we can write P means x comma y. The coordinates of P x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So from this we can write x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So what is section formula? AB is a line segment. P divides AB internally in the ratio of m is to n. To find the coordinates of P, formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is called a section formula. Clear? Now I am going to explain some problems on section formula from 7.2 exercise. Here are the problems. First one, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio of 2:3. So let me clear first question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3. Solution. First question solution. Let two coordinates A -1, 7, B 4, -3. Here let A -1, 7 and B 4, -3. I am taking these points as x1, y1 and also x2, y2. So in the question ratio also given. What is the ratio? 2:3. So nothing but I am comparing with m is to n. So by comparing with m is to n, m is equal to 2 and also n is equal to 3. So according to section formula, P is equal to, let required point as P. Let required point as P. So according to section formula, P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is the formula to find the required point. Now I am substituting values in this. What is the value of m? M is equal to 2. So in the place of m I am writing 2. Similarly, what is x2? Nothing but 4. Plus, what is n? 3. And what about x1? -1 by m plus n. M means 2 and n means 3. M plus n we can write as 2 plus 3. Similarly, here also m means 2 into y2 means -3 plus n means 3 into y1 nothing but 7 by m plus n means 2 plus 3. So I first write the formula, then after I apply values. According to this, 2 4s are 8 plus into minus 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 3 nothing but 5. So plus into minus 2 3s are 6 plus 7 3s are 21 by 2 plus 3 how much? 5. So finally the answer will be 5 by 5 and also 15 by 5. 5 by 5 and 15 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So final answer 1, 3. So required point is 1, 3. Next to move to second question. What is the second question? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Solution. Let A means 4, -1, B -2, -3. Let A 4, -1 and B -2, -3. So I need trisection point. For example, I am doing like this. I am taking AB line segment. I am taking AB line segment. To find the trisection, it means I need 3 parts. To find the 3 parts, I need 2 points. Here P and also here Q. Let required trisection points are P and Q. If you compare with P, left side 1 part, right side 2 parts. So it is nothing but 1:2. So to find P, you have to take the ratio 1:2. So P divides AB line segment in the ratio of 1:2. So nothing but m is equal to 1 and also n is equal to 2. Already we have the section formula. According to section formula, what we can write? P is equal mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So this is the formula to find the P. Now apply the values. M means already we know 1. X2 is nothing but let x1 y1 and x2 y2. X2 means minus 2 plus n means 2. The value of n is 2 into x1 means 4 by m plus n, it means 1 plus 2. Similarly, here also m means 1, y2 means minus 3 plus n means 2 into y1 means how much? Minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So after calculating, minus 2 plus 8 by 3. Similarly, minus 3 minus 2 by 3. So final answer will be P is equal to minus 2 plus 8, 6. 6 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. So finally 3 ones are 3 twos are. So what is the answer? 2 comma minus 5 by 3. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Next to Q. I need Q. So according to Q, what is the ratio? 2:1. Left side 2 parts, right side 1 part. Q divides AB line segment in the ratio of 2:1. In the ratio of 2:1. So here also the ratio m is equal to 2 and also n is equal to 1. Same formula I am going to apply here. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that is the formula. What is the formula? Q is equal mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now apply the values. M means 2, x2 means minus 2 plus n means 1, x1 means 4 by 2 plus 1. Same. M means 2 into x1 by 2 means minus 3 plus 1 into y1 means minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So I applied values. Then after multiply it. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 1s are 4 by 3. Next 2 3s are 6 minus 1 by 3. So final answer 0 by 3 comma minus 7 by 3. So 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. So answer 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So required points, P means the value 2 comma minus 5 by 3, Q means 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So midpoint formula. What is the formula to find midpoint? Let A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are the two coordinates. Let A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 are the two coordinates. For example, I am taking one line segment A and B. x1 comma y1 and also x2 comma y2. P is the midpoint of A and B. P is a midpoint of AB. So to find the P, we have one formula. What is that? P is equal x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this formula we use to find the midpoint. For example, in a circle, AB is the diameter. In a circle, this is very important, 2 marks more. AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. So one end of the diameter is 2, 3. One end of the diameter is 2, 3, and other end 4, 6. So the coordinates of A is 2, 3, and also coordinates of B is 4, 6. Now let the center is O. Center is O. Find the value of O. Means you have to find the center. In a circle, AB is the diameter. Diameter have 2 ends. One is A and one is B. The coordinates of A 2, 3, and also coordinates of B 4, 6. Now find the center. Find the coordinates of center. Always center is a midpoint of diameter. So to find the center, you have to take the midpoint of diameter. So clearly I am writing here, center O is equal to midpoint of diameter. Center O is equal to midpoint of diameter. To find the center, you have to take midpoint of diameter. So what is center O? Is equal to, what is the formula to find midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Formula to find the midpoint: x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Let this one x1 by 1 and this is x2 by 2. So apply here. O means x comma y. x1 means 2 plus x2 4. So 2 plus 4 by 2. Similarly, y1 means 3 plus y2 means 6 by 2. X comma y is equal to 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 6 9. So 9 by 2. I am cancelling this. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 3 comma 9 by 2. X comma y is equal to, by comparing the coordinates. If two order pairs are equal, corresponding coordinates are equal. X is equal to 3 and also y is equal to 9 by 2. So this is a required center x comma y values. Okay. Our next topic is centroid. So first of all, what is the centroid? You take one triangle. That is nothing but ABC triangle. ABC is one triangle. Here BC, D is a midpoint of BC. D is a midpoint of BC, and also E is a midpoint of AC. F is a midpoint of AB. So ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. D comma E comma F are the midpoints of BC, AC and AB. So I am joining now AD. AD is called median. Medians. AD. Similarly, BE is called median. CF is called medians. So medians. AD comma BE comma CF. AD comma BE comma C are intersected one point. This median's intersecting point is called a centroid. Median's intersecting point is called a centroid. Let the coordinates of A x1 comma y1. Let the coordinates of B x2 comma y2 and the coordinates of C x3 comma y3. Centroid are median intersect. Two names are there. We can say centroid, we can use centroid, or we can use median intersect. To find the centroid, we have one formula, that is nothing but G is equal to, here formula, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So formula to find the centroid, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. ABC is a triangle. AD, BE, CF are the medians. The three medians are intersected at one point. Median's intersecting point is called a centroid. Formula to find the centroid: x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Here one important note. What is the note? Centroid divides a median into internally in the ratio of, is constant. This ratio not change. Centroid divides a median into internally in the ratio 2:1. Very very important topic. Maybe chance there to ask in board exams. Now applications. Some problems on the centroid. For example, A 3,6, B 2,4, C 6,9. A 3,6, B 2,4, C 6,9 are the vertices of a triangle. It means here one triangle A and B and C. The coordinates of A 3,6 and coordinates of B 2,4, coordinates of C 6,9. Now find the centroid of the triangle. We have the formula. Let A 3,6 I am taking as x1 comma y1. B 2,4 I am taking as x2 comma y2. C 6,9 I am taking as x3 comma y2. What is the formula to find centroid? G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1 means 3 plus x2 means 2 plus x3 means 6 by 3. Similarly, y1 6 plus y2 4 plus y3 9 by 3. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11. So 11 by 3 and 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 9 19 by 3. So required centroid coordinates are 11 by 3 and 19 by 3. Find the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points -2, 1 and 7, 4. Already we discussed this one. Second one, find the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 3, 4 and -7, -2 and 10, -5. Find the coordinates of a point A, where AB is the diameter. Here diameter given of a circle whose center also given 2, -3. B is 1, 4. You have to find another end. That means you have to find the coordinates of A. Find the distance between the points 5, 7 and 7, 5. So tomorrow I am going to start area of triangle. How to find the area of triangle by using coordinates. Thank you.